Welcome to the studio outdoors. My backyard, my patio, is now open for outdoor sessions. There are several time slots available during the week. This will be your view. This is my backyard, very private. You can probably hear the birds singing right now. Occasionally there's a turtle and a deer. Squirrels, Virginia, Virginia wildlife. And so I'll be standing way back here, and you will be right there. So I'm standing about where my mat would be to give you some idea of what the space would be like. You can certainly borrow props from me that I can disinfect and have ready for you, and then you can bring those home. And if you set up more sessions, you would bring those back and forth with you for the next few weeks or months. So I hope you'll consider scheduling an outdoor session with me.